We'll just head right out the A71 right to the end,
Aye.
I've not ridden this road right to the end for, oh, a good few years now. Well, not ridden, but driven.
I've been to Stranraer a few times, that's the way I go.
Aye, right out the 71.
Yeah.
Once you clear all the wee towns and villages, it's actually no bad run.
I usually go the A77.
Aye. Yes, but we're not doing motorways if we can help it.
No. But for work.
Aye, work, aye, definitely. You want to get to point A to point B as quick as possible.
Yeah.
Possible. Jamming on the brakes to take a wide turn. No bend.
The dogs are amazing, eh?
Aye. Remember we came up here to look at a car shop washer that you were going to buy off of Facebook?
Aye, fuck aye. That thing that was hanging.
Aye. Absolute. Oh. They were the schemy people. They probably robbed it out of a shed somewhere.
Aye, probably.
What a lovely day. Another lovely day. I think this temperature's just right for riding.
You get a nice cool breeze, eh?
Yeah. It's not too hot and it's certainly not too cold.
It's actually no cold.
No.
22 degrees I've got.
I have 23 degrees. So will we split the pubic hair again?
Aye.
22 and a half. This is a good wee road like. Well, this part here, once you get past braking shots and that.
Yeah. This is when you get to Hurlford.
Yeah, Hurlford. I mean, look at all the windmills, eh? That's just bloody horrible, eh?
I know. All over the world now.
Absolutely horrible. Just a blight on the landscape.
Why is the electricity prices not come down?
They've went up.
Because these actually cost me, they're not for free. It's been a 25-year payback.
25-year payback with a 20-year lifespan.
Yep.
How does that work out?
Doesn't it?
Exactly.
23 degrees now.
Yeah, I've got 23 as well, so with no pubic hair to split. New road layout ahead. They've been changing it again.
What was that there?
It says new road layout. Let's see what they've changed. Allenton. I've got a friend that stays up here. Another nice sleepy little village, yeah?
Look at that. Nice bungalows with a nice view, eh?
Aye, aye. Definitely. Is somebody smoking a cigarette? I can smell cigarette smoke.
Oh, look at the cars in front. That is everyone.
Aye, just go right. Right.
When I went back on the bike, I used to come down here and go left.
I've never been left.
Takes you towards Abington.
Does it?
Just for a wee change, eh?
Yeah. Well, that's a road we'll need to explore. And then at the roundabout here, you'll take a left as well.
Yeah, I know that.
And there should be a Shell petrol station just after the roundabout as well. Interesting to see what prices they are.
That's level 28. 130. I think the 130 was diesel, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Because they don't do the high octane fuel, do they?
No, it's the second exit. It's saying, but I would say first. Google's or Waze is saying second. I would say first.
First one.
Aye, I've always went the first one, eh?
Aye.
129, that's really good for fuel. Well, it's not really good, it's still expensive, but it's cheaper than what we're paying. Then take a right at the fork here, Alec.
Yeah, I know where it is. Not past the tyre place.
It's like a big Winnebago, hang it?
Well, this is all changing as well.
Aye, look at all the houses they built on the left. That was factory units in that.
Sick. Well, there's tons of houses and they fucking factories them they work at.
I know. I've not been up this road for years, but you can see the changes,
I don't even go right here.
Doesn't it look like it? Aye. Oh, it's roasting. Pure roasting.
It is lovely though. We complain when it's fucking pissing then.
No, you do. I like running about naked in the rain. That was that was a song. Naked in the rain, cover me in ecstasy.
Who sang that?
Take me dancing naked in the rain. Oh Christ, it was a hit way back late 80s, early 90s. Oh, I've got the song in the house as well, eh?
You know, it's funny, I went to Belize for a year and when I come back, all the music, everything had changed.
Oh aye. Putting a big roundabout in, that's what they're doing. 'Cause that used to just be a slip.
Can we go up that road? Must be able to, eh?
Don't know. No,
Can you fuck?
just follow the diversion sign. No through road, so you can't even cut through the petrol station.
It was shut.
This should bring us out at the bridge. And we'll take our right at the bridge and go up the hill.
Aye. Just check for a command, okay.
Killymarnock. I'm pure melting.
What's that?
I'm pure melting. Oh, it's a nice breeze. I've got my window open. And this will be Straven. Delivered here as well.
Strathaven.
Shaven Haven.
This is quite a well-to-do area.
Oh aye. But the main party is to the right and down the hill.
That on the left.
Aye, the old castle.
It's 24.5 degrees, what you got?
26. So we'll split pubes and say 25. Bikers, hello. No waves. Well, that's us now in East Ayrshire. Parking. I fancy a stretch as well.
Watch your feet.
Oh. Is that a solar powered cat's eyes?
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh, fucker.
Let's get a can of juice there. I've got juice in the box.
I got splattered, look.
Oh dear. I've got soap and all that. Soapy bubbles to clean it.
Superb.